Welcome. We've been expecting you. Efficiency and discretion are the pillars of our operation. This is where the magic begins. The final assembly. Excuse me one moment. This is important.
Hear that? Probably just the wind. We need to secure this area now.
Faster! The clients are not patient people.
Exquisite. The quality is undeniable.
The rosette pattern here is perfect for the fall collection.
There you are. Come, see the final product.
A new investor? Some people will buy anything if the price is high enough.
It's a cruel world. One might as well look beautiful in it.
I saw your other workshop. The one with the cages.
You have seen nothing.
I have it all on camera.
You cannot stop me, boy!
Seal off the sector. We can't let it escape. Amateurs. Clean this up, Victor.
Sector 4 is secure. Moving to processing.
Roger that. Be advised, movement detected near the turbine.
Stop him! He went that way.
There, by the door. Don't let it escape.
Thank God. Leopard, did you defraud the pensioners?
We will not be answering any questions at this time. Get out of my way!
How dare you touch me?
In conservation news today, Kaylin, the critically endangered Amur leopard, was spotted with her new cubs.